Hi there mga beloved mga soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan sinusubaybayan ang pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. So, takes what only resonate, and kapag naka-resonate po kayo na gusto niyo pong ating reading, don't hesitate to comment, like, and share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe po. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nag-aabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I hope you're in good condition. I hope you're safe, okay, healthy, and of course, happy. Okay, dito ko, this is for you, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Isang shuffle pa at kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha because I know that you're so excited. Sige, Pisces. Kunin na natin. Pasensya na, medyo maano po yung ating table. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for Pisces. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. So we have already 2, 3. Sige, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. And maraming salamat po sa overwhelming yung response sa ating muling pagbabalik. Matagal po na panahon na muling nagbalik ang inyong lingkod, but here you are. Still napakainit ng inyong pag-welcome or ng pagtanggap sa aking pagbabalik. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Last 2 cards please for Pisces. Okay? Sige. Pisces, your 10 cards are now complete. Ayusin lang natin to. Pasensya na ha. Baka sa mga bago baka magtanong kayo, bakit parang ang gulo, ang kalat niya mag-shuffle? Yes, that's it. Diyan po tayo komportable. Diyan po tayo nakakakuha ng mga magandang barahan na nakaka-resonate ang karamihan. Without further ado, Pisces, let's begin your reading with a very beautiful opening card, the World card. So, there's a good news coming on your way. May magandang balita. Maybe Pisces, nag-aantay ka ng resulta ng magandang balita sa isang bagay na matagal mo nang ninanais na makamit or you're really wanting for this for a long time. Actually, minamanifest mo nga ito. Araw-araw, you are praying for this thing. But with this World card, kung ano man yan, i-claim mo na that it is coming on your way. It will be given to you by the universe in perfect timing, but hindi na ito magtatagal. The World card represents new chapter, new venture, this is a kind of something fresh for you na malaki ang may tutulong nito para sa Pisces. That's why gustong-gusto mo na talaga itong makuha. But with this World card, the universe is telling you that it will be given to you, granted ito para sa Pisces. Congratulations in advance. And you have here the 8 of Swords. So maybe kung if you're in a situation daw, Pisces, na nagwo-worry ka pa rin kung darating ba ito, or you're in a situation na gulong-gulo ka, nalilito ka, you have sleepless nights. Actually, you are so pressured, may pressure ka na nararanasan. It's because talagang kahit ikaw nakakarinig ka na sa paligid mo, asa na ba yun? Actually, the people around you, even your family members or your friends, are already questioning your decisions. Bakit? Ang tagal-tagal na yan, bakit talaga inaantay mo pa rin? Pwede ka namang sinasayang mo lang yung oras mo, pwede ka namang maghanap ng ibang trabaho, bakit yan talaga ang gusto mo? That's why here, the pressure is building up for you. But I am telling you, Pisces, kasi lumabas ang World card. At least now, if you see this video, at least start recalibrating your mind or changing your mindset because it is coming on your way. Kung patuloy ka lang na mag-worry, patuloy ka lang na ma-stress, mas lalong lalala ang problema at baka mamaya maging blockage pa ito para mas matagalan dumating itong minamanifest mo. Okay? Take it easy. I-relax lang ang isipan, mag-meditate, mag-pray. The power of prayer is very important. So, it will be given to you. Kailangan mo lang ayusin ang mindset mo. Kailangan mo lang ihanda ang sarili mo, yung emotion mo. Kasi kapag dumating na ito, at least you will be prepared and you will be happy. Okay? Relax lang. Stress, may pressured ka daw or stress ka sa kasalukuyan, Pisces. So, here, look at this one. You have the King of Cups. So, aside from the good news, there's also an elevation. So, maaring may iba dyan na maaring nagpabalak ng, moving out somewhere, maglilipat ng trabaho, mag-move overseas, or if you have a business, parang nag-iisip ko mag-branch out, or nag-iisip ko mag-put up ng another kind of business. So, you are thinking of that thing. So, I can see her na mga Pisces din is stable na. There's an stability in terms of, career-wise, trabaho. You have no question about it. So, Pisces, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. But if you're asking for a sign, kung gagawin mo talaga yan, yung mga branch out na yan, or kung talagang pag-move, yes, because lumabas yung world card. But you need to be wise, you need to be intelligent sa mga decision na gagawin. Kasi kung bara-bara lang naman ito, Pisces, at hindi ka pa ready, baka mamaya mag-fail. And of course, it will cause you stress and disappointment. So, dito ka mapupunta. Okay? Sige. Oh, we have the judgment card. So, talagang ang manifestations mo talaga, the cards are not lying, Pisces. Your manifestations, kumbaga sa ano, kumbaga yung papel mo nasa mesa na naaprubahan na, natataka na. Mag-aantay ka na lang na i-forward sa iyo yung communication. So, ganun yun, Pisces. So, here, the judgment card, the universe is telling you that it's already granted. I-claim mo na to. So, whatever that thing, kung ano man yung minamanifest mo, kung ano man yung bagay na gustong-gusto mong makuha, claim it. So, it is coming on your way in universe in God's perfect timing. But this judgment card signifies that a certain manifestation is being granted or success, good news, positive news for you. Okay? So, relax Pisces. Ikalma ang isipan, ikalma ang puso. Kasi maaaring may tension, parang pressure nangyayari. It is coming on your way. Maniwala ka. I-claim mo lang. Tatagan mo lang ang loob mo, linisin mo lang ang puso mo. With the negativities and toxicities, magulat ka baka bukas pagising mo andyan na yan. Okay? So, we have here, Seven of Pentacles. Isa din sa wino-worry mo, nakakadagdag si stress mo or frustration mo is related sa finances, sa pera. Of course, halos lahat ng tao ngayon sa mundo, ito yung main cause of problem. Okay, maybe, actually, Pisces, sa kasalukuyan, meron ka namang source. Okay, meron namang napagkukunan, meron ka namang trabaho na may sweldo, but still, you are questioning it kasi parang hindi sumasapat. Siyempre, lalo na mahal na mga bilihin ngayon. Siguro may mga pinag-aaral ka, may mga anak ka, may mga kapatid ka, ikaw yung nagsusustain. So, talagang hindi sasapat, lalo na sa mga daily needs. So, that's why it is one of also the reason na wino-worry mo. Ito nakakadagdag dito sa Eight of Swords. So, take it easy. Okay? May kasagutan ang lahat. Magagawa ng paraan because of the judgment and the world card, Pisces. Okay, pera lang yan. All those, madaling sabihin, mahahanap. But if you trust, kung may tiwala ka sa universe at Panginoon, magagawa ng paraan, magugulat ka in an unexpected way. Kakatok na yan sa door mo and you will be surprised. Okay? There's a blessing. Kasi nga may good news. Una nating baraha is the world. So, something is about to come on your way, Pisces. So, let's continue sa pang-anim nating baraha. Tapos na tayo sa first 5 cards. I hope na nasusundan nyo at nakaresonate kayo or nagustuhan nyo. Kapag nakaresonate pala kayo, ulitin ko. Mag-comment, like, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Pisces. We have here the Temperance. So, magkatapat sila ng world card. So, you need also to learn to discipline yourself. Okay? Kailangan mo talagang ihanda ang sarili mo. Kailangan mo matutunan na disiplinahin ang emotion mo, ang decision making mo. Kasi, maaaring isa din to nagsisilbing blockages sa mga manifestation mo. You need to build up or you need to learn how to build a kind of mindset na talagang, alam mo yun, hindi nasisway, hindi pa bago-bago. Hindi yung ngayon, okay, tapos mamaya iba naman yung naisip mo. You need to stable. Okay, you need to stable your emotion, kalmahin mo, balansehin mo. Okay, with this Temperance card, the universe is telling you to take everything na sa balance or balansehin. Okay? So, that is a very important notice na dapat mong seryosohin, Pisces. Kasi kapag kalat yung emotions mo, kapag kalat ang energy mo na hindi stable or parang hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling, bigla ngayon, okay, mamaya naiiyak ka, bukas magiging magalitin ka. So, that is not a good thing. So, hindi makakatulong yan. So, you need stability. Kailangan talagang balanse ang lahat. Okay? So, we have here Pisces na mag-bloom or mag-grow ang following. So, if you are working on a certain thing or project na may kinalaman sa may mga tagasunod, or maybe if you're also on social media, if you're doing podcast or you're doing some vlogs or whatever, so expect Pisces na mag-grow ang yung followers. So, you have here the following, or maybe there are itong magbibigay sa iyo ng good news will ignite the passion of other people also. So you will be serving as an inspiration. So you will inspire a lot to do that thing also. Or maybe siguro mas mapapalakas mong loob ng mga tao sa paligid mo na buksan na rin kanilang isipan to discover their hidden talents and use it for goodness. Okay, so here Pisces, so maybe if you are searching for the right path na talagang aligned kayo, masusumpungan nyo to, matatagpuan nyo to, or madidiscover nyo to, and you will realize later on na dyan ka inilagay ng universe, o yan talaga yung talent mo, yan yung gift mo, and you will be doing it para sa ikabubuti ng karamihan. Okay? So, hindi mo hahanga din, or you will not be after sa benefit. Pisces, isipin mo yan. Magiging masaya ka dito, magiging kontento ka because this is what you really wanted, or parang ito yung talagang aligned dito yung path mo. Kumbaga dito, ito talaga yung gusto mong gawin, or this is kind of thing na feeling mo talagang you are aligned with. Okay? So we have here the Queen of Pentacles. So this is stability in terms of not only in finances but also in shared resources, property, and even in your career. So although we have here, so kaya nga, may stability ikaw lang ang medyo nagpapabagal Pisces sa manifestations mo kasi dito sa mga negative thinking mo na ginagawa mo. If you learned how to shift your mind into positive way, tutuloy-tuloy yan magpo-flow. It's like a water in the river na tuloy-tuloy ang flow nito. Kumbaga, andyan na yan, ready na. So, you just need to fix yourself. Ayusin mo lang yung mindset mo. Kasi dito sa Queen of Pentacles, this is stability or prosperity, abundance in terms of money. But sinabi ko, bakit parang kinakapos ka? You are dito sa Seven of Pentacles kanina, bakit parang kulang pa rin? Or you are troubled, or parang naguguluhan ka, or parang nababagabag ka in terms of kapirahan. But here, kung tutusin, ayan, already na kumbaga, ready na si universe to pour out, ibuhos ito sa'yo. But you need to fix yourself first, Pisces. Handa mo na sarili mo. Tanggalin mo yung mga baggages sa puso mo. Magpatawad ka. Tanggalin mo na yung galit. Tanggalin mo na yung any kind of negativities that hinders or that serves as a blockages. Magugulat ka. I'm telling you. Balikan mo yung video to baka bukas mismo. After mapanood nito, if you clear your mind and if you clear your heart with the trashes, na talagang nagsiserve as blockage, you will be greatly surprised. Wow, sa unexpected time, unexpected way mo pa madidiscover na andyan na pala ang blessings para sa Pisces. Okay? Just need to work on yourself. Alam mo yan, baka may mga hinanakit ka pa, may mga inggit or kung ano man yan. You don't need to compare yourself to others, ha? Hindi maganda yan, Pisces. You just need to be gentle with yourself. Okay? Ito talaga, nagkalat ang kapiran. So, Ten of Pentacles, there's a stability talaga. Meron talagang naka-ready sa'yo. In terms of finances, you are not going to worry. Hindi ka mag-worry na ibibuhos to sa'yo one time, big time ni universe. So, di ba? Ulit-ulitin ko lang, Pisces, kung ano yung sinabi ko kanina. Ibubuhos na ito, hindi na ito magtatagal. Parating na ito para sa'yo. But you need to prepare yourself. Ulitin ko, ihanda mo lang ang sarili mo. Paano ihanda? Ulitin ko, you need to clear your mind and heart with the negativities and toxicities na siyang nagsiserve as blockage. You have here a big blessing. Merong malaking parating sa'yo. Lalo magkasunod ang Queen of Pentacles. Magkatapat ng Judgment card which is wish fulfillment. So, if you want your manifestations na dumating na mas aga or mas siksik-liglig umaapaw, meron talaga ito. Kumbaga, naka-box na siya, ready na siya to deliver yung parcel mo ng blessings. But still, sasabihin ng universe, ay hindi pa to ready. Bakit puro galit pa ang puso nito. But hindi pa ito nagpapatawad. But puro inggit pa to. So, puro negative thoughts pang laman nito. You need to fix yourself, di ba? Bago tayo tumanggap ng bisita, kailangan malinis muna yung bahay natin. So, that's the way na kailangan din mo din gawin. Linisin mo ang bahay, ang templo ng puso mo at isipan mo. Magugulat ka. You will be surprised. I am telling you, this is massive. Malaki ito. Talagang naka-ready na to. Out for delivery na to kung sa parcel. So, you just need to do your job. Ikaw din, kailangan mong ayusin ang sarili mo. 10th and last card, Pisces, is the Strength card. You have the courage. Matapang ka daw. Ba't ka parang pinanghihinaan? Here, we have a Leo energy here. Strength card signifies, or the universe is sending you a message, Pisces, that you need to be strong. Okay? what kind of problem man yan, malaki o maliit man yan, you need to face it positively. And may happiness eh. Kung tutusin, hindi mo naman talaga totally kailangan mag-dwell dyan sa negativity, stress kasi kung tutusin, kailangan mo magpakasaya ka kasi may malaking parating sa'yo. Kung tutusin na napakatapang mong tao, ayun, kaya mo ngang itim, paamuhin ng isang mabangis na hayop. So, why you question yourself? Bakit ka nagdududa sa kakayahan mo? Why are you questioning the timing? Why are you questioning kung ibibigay ba ito yung universe? Nagagawa mo nga mga bagay na halos imposible, Pisces eh. Okay? So, you don't need to worry. Cast your fears. Tanggalin mo yung lahat yung mga takot na yun. Magugulat ka. Pag gumising ka sa umaga na parang bago, it's like a renewed, Pisces, na tinanggal mo lahat ng blockages, negativities, and toxicities. In due time. So, this massive blessing, nakabox na to, out for delivery for you. Claim it already. I-claim mo na to. Ibibigay na to sa iyo. But you need to help yourself first by preparing it. Tanggalin na lahat ng mga baggages. Magugulat ka. Abundance, prosperity is just at the corner for you, Pisces. You just need to do your part and everything will fall into place for you. Okay? I hope nagustuhan nyo. I hope na-inspire kayo, na-bless kayo sa ating reading ngayon. At I am praying na maraming nasa sign ng Pisces o makapanood ito ngayon. At kapag nagustuhan nyo po o nakaresonate kayo, don't hesitate to comment, like, and share. And of course, subscribe po ating channel. Hanggang sa susunod nating reading na pagsasamahan, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi. God bless us.